So we have a question from algebra lesson. The sum of numerator and denominator of a fraction is less than twice the denominator if each of the numerator and denominator is decreased by 1. The fraction becomes half. Find the fraction. Okay, students. So a very simple question. The sum of the numerator and denominator. So fraction, right? Like a fraction, right? So fraction. So we don't know the numerator and denominator. So as usual, let's take the x and by y. Okay. So this is numerator and denominator. Okay. Now read the sentence again. So completing of sentence is here, right? First sentence. The sum of the numerator. So I am just adding the numerator and the denominator, right? Of a fraction is less than or twice the denominator. Students, this is a very important one, right? So this 3 less than and twice the denominator. So twice the denominator, 2 times the denominator. So this is our first sentence, or first equation. Do you understand that? So this is very important, right? The sum of numerator and the denominator, it is equal, right? Is 3 less than, so minus 3 less than from twice the denominator. So twice the denominator 2. So the very first equation have a second equation. What's the second equation? Read the second question. If each of the numerator and the denominator is decreased by 1. So numerator we have and denominator we have, they are decreasing 1. So it means you are subtracting 1. So then it will becomes half. You get this, students? So this is a second equation. So now the question is find the fraction. You get this, ma? Yes. So we have two equations. We are going to solve two equations, right? So from the first equation you can find x or y. So as usual, keep the x here, and this is 2y minus 3. Y comes this side, transpose here. So what do you get? So it is 1y, right? So 2y minus 1y. So you get 1y minus 3. X is equal to. So you got this, ma? Yes. So now we are going to use this here. Okay, we are going to substitute in the second equation, where in the place of x. Shall we, students? Yes. So in the place of x, I am just writing y minus 3. Can write 1 or leave it y. Okay. So y minus 3 and a negative 1 is here, divided by y minus 1, that is equal to half. So do you understand this step? So this is a very important step, right? So what's the next step? Y. So you just add this one. So minus 4 by y minus 1 equal to half, 1 by 2. Okay. So now we are going to find the value of y. That's all. So just cross multiplying. So 2 times y minus 4. This is equal to 1 is only here and y minus 1. You just multiply like this. So we get 2y minus 8. So here only 1 is there. So y minus 1. So you can transpose this y here and negative 8 to this side. So what do you get now? 2y minus y. This is equal to minus 1 plus 8. You get this mark? Yes. So now this is 1y, right? So if you subtract, we get y, and here plus 8 minus 1. So this is 7. So y is equal to 7. We find the denominator but not the numerator, right? So but we have the equation, right? X minus. So you can substitute here. Now this, so x is equal to y minus 3, that is 7 minus 3. So that is 4. So what's the value of x, students? 4. Okay. So now what's the answer? X divided by y, that is 4 divided by 7. So this is the answer. So what's the fraction? 4 by 7. Okay, students. Can we check the answer now? How will you check the answer? So by the sentences, what they said, the given fraction is like this, and if you subtract from the numerator 1 and the denominator 1, what do you get? 3 by 6, and if we divide, we get half. Wow, the answer is correct 100%, right? So then they have told like the sum of a numerator and the denominator, it's 11, right? But they said like 2 times the denominator minus 3, right? So this is 14 minus 3. So that is, wow. So they have given 2 sentences. So we have checked the answer, right? We have checked the answer for first equation and second equation, right? So both are verified. So the answer is 4 by 7. So what's the answer, ma? 4 by 7 is the exact fraction, right? So 4 divided by 7. How much we are understanding the problem? So that is very important. I hope you all understand. Thank you.